Hey guys, it's Roy from RWalker12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the Roedix R9 air duster for a quick unboxing and first impressions video. This is a portable air duster. It's battery powered, it's versatile, has a long standby time, strong wind power, easy to operate, and infinitely variable speed. You can use it for a variety of functions. It looks like you can use it for dusting your computer, your keyboard, or your laptop. You can use it for doing your console in your car, vents in your house. Whatever you need for a portable air duster, you're able to use it for that. The accessories it comes with the duster itself, a USB cable, and a blow nozzle. The specifications, it's the Roedix R9 mini air duster. The model number is the R9. Box volume, working voltage, battery capacity says 2500 milliamp per hour times 2. That means it has two linked 2500 milliamp per hour batteries. And here in small print it says longest battery life. It says greater than or equal to 180 minutes at low speed laboratory environment, and not less than 8.5 minutes high-speed laboratory environment. So depending on whatever that variable setting you use, you could have a wide variety or a massive difference in your battery life. This does go for about $70 to $80 on Amazon on the regular pricing. However, they do seem to have regular sales on it. There is currently a $20 coupon, so make sure you're checking that off when you order this for yourself. Here we have the blow nozzle, or the, what do they call it? Blow nozzle. We have the USB cable. USB-A to, USB-C, that's nice. It's not often you see things like this that have a USB-C port on them. They're typically micro USB. Got a bag in there, it looks like the duster, something else in there. And then here we have the user manual. This tells us how to switch it on and off, how to blow air out of it, then the different LED indicators, what those mean, and how to charge it and maintain it and care for it. So pretty straightforward stuff there. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Here that is, and that thing is tiny. That's a very small air duster there. Most of them I've used are quite significantly larger than this one. Let's see what we got here. Hold it down to power it on. Looks like it holds a charge pretty well, because that came to me from the Amazon warehouse completely charged. Whoa, and it's you just turn it on. So you slide that up, so the lowest setting is off, and it's got quite a push to that. Let's see, we're supposed to do it with the blow nozzle. Pops right in there. Here on the back you have the fan. And then you have the exhaust at the bottom. Let's go ahead and pull over my laptop here. We're going to test this out on the keyboard. So my keyboard isn't very dirty, unfortunately, but we can at least try it out and see what we got here. So at high speed, it did get all the little crumbs that were in there, the dandruff or whatever it was. I know I'm completely disgusting now, but looks like it did a great job at that. Let's flip this thing over. Try cleaning out the fans. So there wasn't much in there either, but it did seem to get most of that stuff out. There's nothing else I can see dust-wise on here. Just a normal wear and tear on my laptop, unfortunately. But what I'm going to do now is I am going to turn this on, and I'm going to let it run here for a few minutes and see if we can clock how long it's going to last at full speed. So all it took was 7 minutes and 21 seconds, almost 7:22 for us to drain that completely. Now, one big caveat to that 7 minutes and 22 seconds was after we had already used it a little bit here in the video, and it doesn't account for it coming to me maybe not fully charged. But I will tell you guys, that thing was powerful. The second I turned that on, I set it down and I turned it on, and it immediately blew everything off of my desk. So my desk is now almost completely empty. I have phone cases that are on the floor. I have a bottle of cleaning stuff. My lens cap blew off. Like, everything is on the floor now. So it definitely has quite a bit of a oomph and a kick behind it. Definitely quite a bit of power, and it will definitely do the job for you. Now that battery life, again, I'd have to test it completely once it's fully charged. However, with what I'm seeing here, I wouldn't be surprised if it does actually get that 8.5 minutes. So as far as my first impressions, I'd actually have to go and say that I am very impressed with it. This thing is very compact, it's very small, it's something you could fit in a pocket almost. You don't have to worry about taking up a lot of room in your closet or in your storage space. You can just stick that in a drawer and take it with you when you need to go dust something or whatever it is that you're doing. It feels comfortable in the hand. It definitely had a big oomph there when you were pushing it. When I flipped it up to full power the first time, it kind of had a little bit of a kick there. And like I said, it cleared off my desk completely when I was sitting there with the timer. And as you could see there, a couple of times I had to try holding it in place with different things just because it was pushing things out of the way. So would I recommend it? I would have to say yes. It would be something I would recommend, and it's something that you would need in your Geeks Toolkit. So again, I'll have a link to that in the video description down below. If you guys have any questions or comments on the Roedix R9, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.